Guys, I'm channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tablets or like that softwares from your OPPO A98. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and Antivirus App. So the first one, open the settings, then go to the apps and choose app management. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you haven't installed by yourself, the app that you don't recognize the name of it, just open it, choose install and click OK. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now choose the storage usage, manage space and clear all data. Tap on the OK, and now your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now, and in this application you have to tap on the continuous free and choose the start scan. Tap on the allow and allow permission. Go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.